Kospet Hope 4G smartwatch phone is provided with 1.39-inch AMOLED display, which was praised as the next display technology since birth. Compared with traditional LCD display tech, AMOLED has a wider visual angle, higher contrast, and lower power dissipation. Kospet Hope 4G smartwatch phone is powered by MTK 6739 quad-core processor comprised of 4 A53 cores with 1.3 GHz dominant frequency. We first used the 3 GB RAM and 32 GB ROM in this watch, leading to a high-end smartwatch era, which is aimed to bring extremely smooth user experience to the end customer. The watch packed Android 7.1.1 system. Kospet Hope supports dual 4G LTE, like TDD-LTE and FDD-LTE, and 5 types of network and 23 kinds of frequency bands, including WCDMA, TDS-CDMA, GSM, etc., covering most of the countries and regions in the world. Feel free to travel everywhere. Enjoy the super-fast online experience brought by dual 4G. Only with a watch in hand. Its 8.0 megapixel camera